T-Zones! You know what? Napaka-interesting talaga ng pag-uusapan natin ngayon, best friend.
Yes, best friend Al. Talaga naman kahit ako, excited na ako sa mga bagong kaalaman na malalaman natin ngayon.
So let's start!
Tara na.
So now we have here in studio Pastor Lito Tanghal and Mr. Tony Suvega, a psychic expert. Good morning po.
Ayan. Hello, sir. Good morning po. So, going straight po to the main topic for today, ano po ba yung masasabi nyo regarding sa napaka-init na issue ngayon na 2012 End of the World? Pastor Lito.
Actually, I didn't know na mainit pala yan, ano? Kasi this is the first time really na narinig ko lang itong 2012 issue na to. Practically kasi para laging bad news yung naririnig natin and I really don't care about that issue. However, if the world is going to end, then let it be. Kasi talaga naman na
Yes, that's right.
for sure, the world will end. Pero I don't think na ito yung 2012 kasi nobody knows. It's written in fact, it's written in the Bible na talaga wala naman nakakaalam kung kailan.
So,